Hello, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the 88 Quilter. And just a reminder on this Easter Sunday, April the 9th, 2023, that Walter and I will be live on the air today at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Yes, I said 3 p.m. Eastern Time, 1 hour earlier than what we usually do. Usually we're on at 4, but today we're on at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Why is that? Well, it's Easter Sunday, and we've been invited to my sister's for Easter dinner, and she'd like us at her place in around 4:30-ish. So, that kind of cuts into Stephen and Walter Live. So, we'll be on a little bit earlier. What are we going to talk about today? Well, we're going to talk about our plans for the West Coast because 1 week from today, we should be in Vancouver. So we're going to talk about that, talk about some of the paranoia I have about traveling right now as a result of COVID and other things. And we're going to look at some comments and questions that have come in during the week. And we're also going to talk about something I find really scary. The future is here now with AI. So, yeah. But anyways, I hope you can join us, even though we're an hour earlier today, and I'm sure many of you have Easter plans. So, if you can't make it, you can always catch the rebroadcast later in the week. And we hope you have a really great Easter, and don't eat too much of the bunny, okay? Don't want you sick. All right, so we'll see you later, maybe today at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Sunday, April the 9th, 2023, for us. Bye for now.